Hey, let's talk about something that matters. Your dreams. I want you to imagine your wildest ambition, the thing you hardly speak out loud because it sounds too big, too bold, maybe even impossible. Now, what if I told you the only thing standing between you and that dream is fear? Be fearless and dream big. Let your dreams fly and give them wings. Don't shrink yourself. Don't apologize for having big dreams, wanting everything. That's not selfish, it's self-love. If you want something, chase it with all your heart. Life is too short to sit on the sidelines, wishing you'd played the game. Embrace your unique self. Here's the truth. Nobody's perfect. I'm not, you're not, and that's what makes us human. There's real power in embracing your flaws, understanding your core values, stepping into your own authenticity. You are not here to blend in, you're here to stand out. Get to know the real you. That's step one to becoming the best version of yourself. Prioritize self-love and growth. Don't let your worth be defined by someone else's opinion. Focus on your own goals, your passions, your dreams. Nurture your mind, feed your body. Good things. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not pull you down. Remember, you are your own best investment. Don't settle. Never quit, accept less than you deserve. Your peace, your happiness, your future. They're too important to sacrifice for comfort or out of fear. Life's too precious for that. Demand more for yourself. Don't be afraid to walk away from what doesn't serve you. Invest in yourself. Put time into your goals. Learn new things. Become someone you're truly proud of. Growth is uncomfortable sometimes, but it's always worth it. You've got this. The world is waiting for your light.